Let's give it a taste. What's up, Thompson gang? Today, what we doing? We're making walnut milk so I can get some cereal. Yes. So we noticed and learned that our almond milk has the ingredients of natural flavors. And according to the FDA, the term natural flavors means any product roasting or heating which contain flavors that's derived from eggs, dairy products, even meat. So they don't have to disclose which one of those are in our food. So we decided to make our own milk. So let's get into it. So what we're doing first, we put two cups of soaked walnuts that we soaked overnight. That's here. And then we have to add the 4 cups of purified water.
So this is 2 cups,
And
this is 2 cups. They're floating all around.
Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 100% pure maple syrup, to it.
Okay, this one. One tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons.
And let's blend it up.
So now we need the top. We need to wipe that off. Get a rag, please. Okay, now time to blend.
What's up, Thompson gang? Don't forget to subscribe. Right now let's blend. We're gonna pour it. We're gonna pour it through a
Cheesecloth. It looks like milk.
Right.
Did we just let it go? That'll take a long time. Is that enough? pour in it cheesecloth because it looked like nothing else is coming.
Mm-hmm.
Huh, we could drink it to see how it tastes. Squeeze. Squeeze. Oh my god, it dried.
Mm-hmm. So,
Okay guys, let's give it a taste.
what it tastes like?
Tastes like walnuts, water, and maple syrup. That's good. Okay guys, I made my cereal. The cereal tastes good with the milk, and I like eating it because it tastes real good, kind of like regular milk. And guys, don't forget to make yours at home and see how you like it, see how it turns out, and then we'll see you in the next video.